If you're experiencing cleaning performance issues from your LG Core Zero A9 stick vacuum due to intermittent power or cycling noise such as this, it may be due to the exhaust filter and green pre-filter packed with dirt and debris. It could also be due to an obstruction in the inlet hose, wand attachment, or floor nozzle inlet. Or finally, it could also be due to the large dust separator filter being packed with dirt and debris. Intermittent power issues, cycling noise, and loss of suction are indicators that the unit is in need of cleaning maintenance. Before you perform any maintenance, turn the vacuum off, empty the dustbin over a wastebasket or trash can, and remove the battery. To clean the exhaust filter and pre-filter, twist open the top lid on the vacuum body. The exhaust filter is built into the twist-off lid. The green pre-filter can be accessed once the lid is removed. Shake off any large debris from the filters. Clean off fine debris with a small brush over a trash can, or go outside and use a can of compressed air. When using compressed air on the exhaust filter, make sure to direct the air as shown, from the outside in, top to bottom. Directing the air from the inside outward compacts the dust and debris into the filter. This increases airflow restriction or clog, and reduces the filter's performance even further. In order to effectively dislodge the dust from each filter, direct the water flow as shown. Exhaust filter outside in, top to bottom. The pre-filter inside out. After washing the filters, allow them to thoroughly dry for at least 24 hours before reinstalling them. Reinstalling the filters before they are completely dry may result in mildew or odor. Reassemble the pre-filter first. Then align the exhaust filter with the hollow indicator at top and turn the filter clockwise until the solid white indicators align. To check the unit for clogs, detach the carpet floor nozzle and the wand from the vacuum. Look through both ends of the wand and check for any debris or obstructions and remove them. Now move to the body of the unit, check the inlet for any debris or obstructions and remove them. To remove debris or obstruction from the floor or carpet nozzle inlets, turn the nozzle over. A round locking mechanism attached to the nozzle side panel is shown. Use a coin and turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. Rotate the same panel 90 degrees and pull it outward to remove the roller brush. Shake off large debris over a wastebasket or trash can. Check the roller brush for any tangles or obstructions and remove them. Clean off fine debris with a small brush. With the nozzle in hand, check both ends for debris or obstruction and remove them. To reassemble the floor or carpet nozzle, follow the same steps in reverse. To clean the large dust separator filter, insert the crevice tool into the large dust separator and turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Shake off any large debris from the dust separator over a trash can. Clean off fine debris with a small brush. And the large dust separator can be rinsed in any direction. After washing the filters, allow them to thoroughly dry for at least 24 hours before reinstalling them. Reinstalling the filters before they are completely dry may result in mildew or odor. Before reassembling the filters, you may also want to brush off any dust around the motor housing using the brush attachment. Do not use any wet towels or spray water or cleaner in this area. Also, keep your fingers or sharp objects out of the motor enclosure to avoid product damage, personal injury, or electric shock. Reinsert the large dust separator filter into the motor housing. Insert the crevice tool into the large dust separator and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. And reinsert the battery. Operating the product with wet filters or without the filters will allow dust to reach the motor and could cause a malfunction. To maintain cleaning performance, clean the filters at least once a month or as needed. Under certain conditions, you may need to clean the filter more often. Examples of these conditions include: you vacuum every day, you have pets in the home, you have wall-to-wall carpeting, you wear shoes in the home. If none of these solutions correct the issue with your LG Core Zero A9 stick vacuum, please contact customer service. If you clean and maintain your vacuum properly, you will continue to enjoy great cleaning performance from your LG Core Zero A9 stick vacuum.